Imagine one screen that can manage your family calendar, stream your favorite show, act as a video call hub, and control your smart home, all from the wall. This is the Amazon Echo Show 15, and Amazon claims it will revolutionize your living space. But after spending real time with it, I found some things they don't tell you in the ads. Stick around, the verdict might surprise you. Amazon Echo Show 15 Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at here? The Echo Show 15 is Amazon's 15.6-inch smart display, Full HD, released in 2021 and refreshed in later versions, designed as a wall or counter-mounted family hub for the modern smart home. Its key selling proposition: instead of a small tabletop Echo, this is a large format display meant to live in a kitchen, hallway, or shared room so the entire household can interact with Alexa, watch media, and manage the day in one place. Amazon Echo Show 15 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in real life? I spent time using it for everything from streaming episodes while cooking to having video calls and controlling smart lights. What stood out, the screen feels genuinely large. You're not squinting from the living room. It's big enough to read at a glance from across a room. Reviews noted the 15.6-inch 1920 by 1080 layout. Responsiveness was solid. Screen taps and voice prompts felt snappy. One review noted that thanks to newer Wi-Fi 6E support in updated models, streaming and touch input feel more fluid. Some setbacks? If you mount it in a bright spot, you will get glare because it lacks a heavy anti-glare coating. Also, for media use, you're never going to get the immersive feeling of a dedicated 55-inch TV. It's large for a smart display, not for a home cinema. Features and tech. Let's talk about some of the standout features and, more importantly, why you should care. Widgets and Family Hub interface. It turns the screen into a daily dashboard. Calendar, to-do lists, shopping lists, family photos rotating in the background. As reviewed, it's easy to change and rearrange the widgets. The screen displays time, weather, then rotates through content. Why it? It becomes more than a speaker. It's a central command station for the household. If you're always coordinating who's picking up kids, what's for dinner, that sort of thing, this helps. Built-in Fire TV and streaming. The Echo Show 15 supports streaming services and includes a voice remote in many bundles, especially in newer versions. The benefit: you don't have to solely rely on Alexa voice to watch Netflix, Prime, etc. The remote makes selecting content easier, and watching shows in the kitchen or family room is more convenient. Camera and audio upgrades. The latest versions feature a 13-megapixel wide-angle camera with auto-framing for video calls, and upgraded speakers, two 2-inch woofers plus two 0.6-inch tweeters to give better sound. The benefit: if you host calls or want music while cooking, the upgraded audio and camera help. Not perfect like a dedicated sound system, but a meaningful step up. Design and build. Aesthetically, Amazon nailed the wall-mounted smart display look. The Echo Show 15 resembles a sleek picture frame on the wall. Slim, 1.4 inches thick for second gen per Tom's Guide, and relatively elegant. Materials are plastic and glass as you'd expect. It doesn't scream luxury television, but it doesn't look cheap either. On the practical side, installation matters. You'll want to pick a spot near a power outlet. The power cord is only about 1.5 meters on some versions. Also, the optional stand, if you don't wall mount, adds cost. Because it's large, you have to think about the space it takes up. On a small countertop, it can dominate. Pros. Large, clear 15.6-inch display makes calendar and family dashboard use legit instead of being an afterthought. Multi-purpose. Streaming, video calls, smart home hub, all in one package. Smart home connectivity, Zigbee, Matter, Thread, opens it up beyond just voice and display. Really good value for what you get, especially if used in the right room. Cons. Mounting and placement matter. Power cord length and glare issues can reduce usefulness. Audio is improved, but still not on par with a dedicated soundbar or TV when it comes to bass and fullness for serious watching. If you just need something smaller or simpler, it's overkill. Might be more display than you actually use. Final verdict. So, what's the big takeaway? If you're someone who runs a busy household, uses smart home gear, wants a central screen for family coordination, and hey, maybe streams while cooking, the Echo Show 15 is a no-brainer. It turns a blank wall into an interactive hub. On the flip side, if you're living alone, don't care about home automation, or already have a big TV and smart speaker setup, then you might be better off with a smaller, cheaper Echo or smart display. Is it worth the money? For the right household, absolutely. For the solo user, maybe not.